Yes, people, this a Rudebwoy now play countryside all day long. Saying, I want to talk about this thing I go on in Clarendon, you know, Mason River. With this man who them call BITTAs. I talk about him about Clarendon. I've not done him, I only done at Clarendon. So I'm just getting done. The man they have done from how long. So how him just pushing himself and claims him had only done. I never even hear this man until this video surface. But anyway, I just look a few things I want to touch upon, you know. I not go hold on it too long, you know. Because I'm straight to the point, I deal with it. First of all, I don't believe this man have no type of power about gathering. I through the right set of man reach him yet. About gathering. Let me tell you something, you know much man I know talk about them have gathering. And certain things reach them and the gathering even get take off a finger. And them sitting there. So man, we not gonna watch that, you know. I just through the right set situation I reach him yet. And this man, if him really involved in sending him son out to go commit them type of crime here, this thing has to really get examined. This thing has to really be put in perspective, because we can't have people like this I walk on the street freely, so businessman or not. You know what I say? If you go do it yourself are one thing, but if you go employ your son and then bridging them, and you even have a criminal enterprise at your yard where they might hang out, you send man to go do this and do that. And if this man have this type of information, the police them must have this type of information. So either the police them kill it, because him can't battle every police in Jamaica. We have tip lines who don't have no connection to him or no connection to the local police. And you want to tell me that this type of information is out there and this man still walk on the street if it is true? It's either not true, or the police them don't know about it, or the right police them don't know about it.